What's good, Grind Schoolers? It's your boy Rob, and today we are going to take the Elko for a little spin around the block. For whatever reason, it's still leaking transmission fluid. I'm probably assuming because the bolts at the bottom are not torqued down as tight as I could get them. Obviously, as tight as I can get them with the torque specs and stuff like that. The instructions said torque them down to 10 foot-pounds. I did that on my big torque wrench, and maybe it's giving me a false reading, but it's still leaking transmission fluid. I'm not gonna fix it today, but I'll show y'all what's going down. We're just gonna start the car up. We're gonna drive around the block. I got a lot of trash to throw away. So pretty much, instead of taking my truck, I was gonna take the Elko just because, you know, I wanna hop in and ride for a second. But other than that, I think that's what we about to do, man. Before you jump into the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. And let's go ahead and get into it. All right, y'all. So today I'm going to, like I said, I want to hop in the Elko, take it for a spin. I gotta dump this trash, so I got a little bit of trash to dump in the bigger dumpsters, just because I don't want to have this all full up and stuff like that, because it's a lot of trash and a lot of stuff that's not able to fit inside of the regular trash can. I'll show y'all. I got some boxes and, you know, these tailpipes and, you know, grass, stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? That I don't want just sitting inside the trash can. So but anyways, pretty much what I'm gonna do, like I said, is I'm gonna go ahead and start the Elko up and let it idle for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take it out, dump the trash, and yeah, just like I said, enjoy the car for a second before this rain comes. So let me go ahead, hop in the car, start it up, and then we'll load all this trash up. Easy peasy. It's a lot easier to grab stuff back here too, man. So anyways, let's go ahead and hop in the whip. Let's drive it around the corner, man. Like I said, she sounds really good, y'all. Ever since I did that timing stuff, she sounds really, really good. So like I said before, she's not like really breaking up like that, and she's really doing pretty well. So let me go ahead and get around the block, and then I'll get out and we'll walk around the car. I know I do this a lot, man, but man, I can't get enough of this car, I promise you that. So let me go ahead and go around up here and man, the power, boy, the power. Alright, let's see here. Yeah, man, I just wanted to I wish the speedometer worked so y'all can see, but it is what it is, man. I'm not gonna get out of the car and show y'all because I do that all the time, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all, you know, just get a little bit of driving footage of the car. Let y'all hear it for a second, man. Like I said, it's leaking transmission fluid, and I can't really figure it out what's going down with it, man. But I think I'll probably just order like a smaller smaller torque wrench and try to lock it down that way. But I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this for a second. I'm gonna turn this camera off and then we'll chop it when I get back to the crib. I lied, y'all. I said I wasn't gonna get out and get the car, but I just had to, man. She dirty, she real dirty. I just had to so y'all can just hear, you know what I'm saying, the car just chopping. How quiet she's sounding down up in here. You can hear the timing here. You know, going. Listen to how quiet she is. You know, I just had to get it real quick, man, just to put her on camera for a second, man. But yeah, she sounds real good after that tune. I gotta really get to it, clean it. Next time I'll probably clean the car, cause you know what I mean. I don't want this to be on there too long. You know, go ahead and get some water on there. Clean it real good, get all that dust and dirt. It's been raining like every single day, so the streets have been so just trashy, you know what I mean? Also the car sags on this side a little bit more because the body bushing, number 6 is not in there, and it's in there, but I didn't replace it, and number 7 broke out off. If y'all remember when I did the body bushing, man, but dang, just listen to her purr, yo. Like I said, man, when we up here in the front, listen to just how quiet it is. Man, sounds great, y'all. Sounds great. All right, y'all, there she is. Like I said, it wasn't nothing too crazy. It's not like we working on the car or nothing. I just wanted to take that stuff to the trash can, get it all up out of here, and you know, get to drive the car for a little bit. Like I said, it's been raining every single day, man, for like literally like weeks. So it's kind of hard to take the car out, especially with no windshield wipers and not trying to get it dirty. Although, like I said, it is dirty. But we are going to get all that cleaned up and get that off of there because I can't be rolling like that. And shout out to everybody that always offers me advice. I appreciate y'all, man. I know a lot about these cars, man, but I don't know everything. So I definitely appreciate all the advice that I get whenever I, you know, pose a question or I have a problem or something like that. It definitely is always appreciated. So if y'all hear anything that I say and y'all know something in my comments, man, go ahead and drop a comment and let me know. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, you should do this, you did this, you know, like you could do it better like this, you know, however it is. you know, or just chop it with me, you know. I chop it back, you feel me? So, but yeah, there she is, y'all. Like I said, it wasn't too much, man. I just wanted to get the car on camera, you know what I'm saying? See how we come in and everything like that, so, yeah. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and conclude this video. I definitely appreciate all of y'all, all my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, man. This family is growing, and I definitely appreciate y'all. Every time I have something like some type of dilemma, y'all always reach out and let me know. And that's like the greatest thing about, you know what I'm saying, this whole community, this whole platform, you know what I'm saying, and this channel is, you know, whenever I got an issue, you know what I'm saying, and I just pose the question or I say, you know, what's going on, somebody always reaches out, you know what I'm saying, and lets me know how I could do it better or how I can, you know, switch things up to make my life easier. And I definitely always appreciate y'all for, you know what I'm saying, reaching out, all the advice, you know what I'm saying. So please continue to do so, you know what I'm saying. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. I definitely appreciate it. But I'm gonna go ahead and conclude this video. Like I said, it wasn't nothing too crazy. I just wanted to hop in the car before it starts pouring down again, and that is what it is, man. Before you exit the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get notification every single time I drop another video. Always remember, work hard so you can live free.